Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the IO.Store.Signature Error on Fortnite. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, make sure that no Epic Games Store or Epic Store Launcher process is running in the background. Simply open up your hidden task and then remove Epic Store. After that, open your Task Manager and look through the list of running applications. If you find any Epic Games-related programs running, simply click on each one and then choose End Task. This will completely close any background Epic Games processes on your PC. Once you've done that, the next step is to open your File Manager and navigate to your Fortnite installation folder. Inside that, open the Content folder and then go to the next packs where you'll see several files. Here you need to delete all the files that range in size from 1 KB to less than 2000 KB. These smaller corrupted files can sometimes cause the IO.Store.Signature error, so removing them helps clear up the issue. After deleting those files, open up your Epic Games Launcher. Once it's open, go to your Library section and locate your Fortnite game. Click on the three dots next to Fortnite, and from the drop-down menu, select Verify. This will start verifying all the game files to make sure none are missing or corrupted. Now, wait patiently while the verification process completes. Once it's done, launch Fortnite again. This time, you should no longer see the IoStore.Signature added error. And that's it. So that is how you can fix the IO.Store.Signature error on Fortnite. So that's all for this video. Thanks.